Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or close your account on the EHA Markets Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EHA Markets app on your device, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to delete or close your account, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then tap on Basic Information, and now if you scroll down, you will see the Close Account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked whether you would like to close your account. Tap on the Continue button to confirm, and you will be asked to provide a reason. You may also choose multiple reasons if you wish, and then tap on the Continue button. You can then tap on the Customer Service option, and once the chat is opened up, you can simply type in Close My Account and send. Now, you may need to convince the AI assistant a few more times before it is ready to close your account. So go through the conversation and let the chat message know that you would like to close it no matter the consequences. Once you receive this message, letting you know that your account will be closed within 3 working days, you can just log out from your account from the Basic Information page. And now you will just need to wait for 3 days, after which your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the EHA Markets Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.